I show you what my gats would do. The motherfuckers bust your head, nigga, Guadalupe. I show you what my rats would do. They the ones that got the gas down, bust it through. And people always talking flu, but shit. And people always talking you. Yeah. I don't gang bang or nothing. I just know a lot of people that gang bang and thugging. You know I chill down with my city. Not disgusting, but a lot of people still running from the scrumptious. Yeah. I heat up in the oven. I'm the motherfucking rapper that be coming out the oven. Too hot, but I ain't flaming torching. I guarantee you I'm Christian. I'm the holy Bible divorcement. Yeah. Reg flows every day. I push it all in the way. And told a lot of people that I knew that I was trying to stay down in the rap game. But this shit is really all bad, but shit, I guess it's really all the same. I speak words from the hill time, but I wouldn't give you all the blame. Freestyling and off the back with the Mac. Gotta go ahead and get it. Bad bitch under attack. Man, I reg flows from a high hill like high squirrel. Motherfuckers talking good shit, but ain't on high deals, man. Reg flows about to pop. My nigga dropping lots. A lot of motherfuckers talking shit. A lot of niggas talking nothing. You know, I'll be up on this beat. Every day I hustle up. Man, you little niggas run up. I guarantee you will get done up. Them little fucking niggas ain't me. I freestyle up on the beat. On the scene, took a clean. Every day I get me. I be trying to dig in these tunnels, nigga. Trying to dig deep. Every day I hustle from this life in this century. Man, this shit is all fucked up. It ain't kin to me. Generation all flipped out. Ain't flipped in. Man, you little niggas talking down, but they ain't dipped in. I wreck shop when I wreck pop and niggas wreck not. You know I be on the freestyle. You know I wreck hot. I wreck red hot. Some little niggas always talk squat. You know I bust in. I had to throw that shit in again. I wreck freestyles out the back. #1 win. I couldn't even slow it up. Wrecking them niggas I hustle up. Trying to go get in the money. Them niggas don't understand. They just some dummies. You know I'll be funny. I'll be killing from the life. And this life is sacrifice. But shit, I'm bulldozing through the night. Man, I black off your lights like Black Ops tonight. Man, you little niggas ain't really real. I cause flights and I'm scared of heights, but shit, I jump flights. I don't even stop, nigga. Had the red right. Every day I red hype, so shit, my red turn tonight. Man, I freestyle up on the back style, hip-hop generation. Yeah, I'm gonna change the style. Little fuck niggas talking big, but they ain't talking wild. I be wrecking the limit. Them niggas don't understand when I be killing or drop your feelings. You know I freestyle about the end and it's black in your tendon. Every day I hustle for realists. Hey. And the riches. Niggas ain't really talk about the problems that I kill up on your esophagus. Nigga, man, I shoot your shit out, nigga, acknowledging. Wrecking on this flow, nigga, bust your ass in allergen. Man, shit, is that even a word? But shit, I guess it's on your nerves, cause on these nerves, man, I'm busting hard, nigga, on these verbs. Man, I came in with nouns and verbs, nigga. Evens and odds, nigga. I flow sick about the black with the bog, nigga. I'm trying to make the money stack with the clogs, nigga. Hey. I freestyle up off the hinges and I rip you off your pigeons. That's my motherfucking decision, nigga. Hold up.